In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 exercises to prevent falls and to stay strong on your feet. As we get older, our balance and stability declines. This increases our risk for a falling injury. By strengthening the muscles in our legs and our ankles, that will help improve balance and prevent a falling injury. The CDC says 1 out of 5 falls causes serious injuries such as a broken bone or a head injury. Each year, over 300,000 older people are hospitalized for a hip fracture. These falls can lead to a broken bone, a head injury, or even a fear of avoidance, so people often will avoid movement and being active because they're fearing another fall. And we see this a lot where people's health declines because they're not as mobile, and they're not as active as they should be. So the first exercise we're going to do to help improve your balance and stability is going to be foot taps. So what Renee's going to do is she's going to turn and face a stair. In this case, what she's going to do is she's going to take her right foot and she's going to tap the stair in front and then come back down. And she's going to do that 15 times on the right leg and then 15 times on the left leg. I would recommend doing this on stairs so you have walls on both sides or a banister to hold on to. And in case you lose stability, you have that right there for you. But this is a great exercise because what it does is as she's tapping, she's using the muscles on her left side and she's also using her muscles on the right side to help develop that hip flexion. The second exercise we're going to do to improve your balance and stability is going to be head rotations. So what Renee is going to do is she's going to turn her head to the right and then to the left. And I want her to go in both directions for about 30 seconds. And I want you to avoid any painful positions. So if you can only go a little bit and then it starts to cause pain, stop right there and then go the other side. Think about if you're walking, you're looking over the shoulder, and what you'll realize is you may not notice like you're stepping off a curb or something like that, but it'll actually help your balance and stability by working on your neck rotations. So again, she's going to do 30 seconds left and right, and then what she's going to do is she's going to go 30 seconds chin down her chest and then looking up. And again, what we want to do, we want to avoid any painful positions. So if bending her head back, if that causes a pinch at any point, stop before that and then just go through that range of motion, which is pain-free. And again, 30 seconds on this one, and I would do both of those exercises 2 to 3 repetitions. So the second exercise we're going to do is called head rotations. The third exercise we're going to do to improve your balance and stability is going to be standing marches. So Renee, I want your feet to be in a hip width position here. And what she's going to do, she's going to raise her right leg so it's about parallel to the floor and then come back down and then go to the left leg. And we want to do 15 repetitions alternating the legs on both sides. And what this is going to do, it's going to transition using her muscles in her glutes, which is going to help stabilize her pelvis, which is going to help improve your balance. It's also going to challenge the ankle ligaments in both sides, which is going to help improve your strength in those ligaments. I would do 2 sets of these 15 repetitions to help improve your balance. So the third exercise I recommend is going to be standing marches. The fourth exercise I recommend to improve your balance and stability is going to be a sit to stand exercise. So for this one, you're going to be hip width apart with your feet, and I want Renee to put her arms out in front of her, and then what she's going to do is she's going to gently lower her butt onto the chair, and then she's going to pause for a second and then come back up. And we're going to do 10 repetitions in that motion going back and forth. And come back up. This is going to be safer and less stress on your knees when you're doing this exercise, but this is a great one for developing glute strength and also balance. So the fourth exercise is going to be sit to stand. We're going to do 10 repetitions and we're going to do that twice. The fifth exercise I recommend to improve your balance and stability is going to be a single leg stand. So what Renee's going to do is she's going to be, again, hip width apart with her feet. She's going to raise her right leg up off the floor and she's going to hold that for 15 seconds. And after about 15 seconds, she's going to come down and we're going to do the other leg. Now what you'll notice is your ankle will start to wobble. That's normal with this. This is a really challenging exercise both for the leg that's holding you up, but also the leg that is raised up in the air. Now as you get stronger, you can come back down and let's do the other side. As you get stronger, what you'll notice is your ankle will wobble a lot less and you'll feel more and more stable. Now, I definitely recommend you do this exercise next to a countertop or next to a sturdy piece of furniture. That is going to help prevent a fall because this is going to be really challenging, but it's probably one of the most important exercises you can do to improve your balance. And you can relax there. And again, I would do this 15 seconds on each side and do 5 times on each leg. So the fifth exercise is going to be a single leg stand on each leg. The sixth exercise I recommend to improve your balance and stability is going to be over the shoulder walks. So what Renee's going to do, we're going to have you come back here, and I want you to turn your head to the right to a comfortable position, stand nice and tall, and what we're going to do is she's going to take 4 to 5 steps forward, while maintaining her head rotation to the right. And you can stop there. Now let's turn around and go back. This time I want you to turn your head to the left, good posture, and walk forward 4 to 5 steps. Good, and you can relax. So this is a great exercise for balance and stability because you don't realize often if you're turning your head to the right or to the left and you're walking, you may hit a curb in front of you, but this is what helps to develop that kind of proprioception, and so it helps to improve your balance and stability. So the sixth exercise to improve your balance and stability is going to be over the shoulder walks. So perform these exercises on a regular basis to improve your balance and to help strengthen your legs. If you have any questions about the 6 exercises, reach out to me at novacarwellness.com, or you can give us a call at 703-912-7822.